In the name of Allah, I am Muhammad Ashraf Bhatt, teacher, Government High School, Shanu. I am going to deliver English lecture for class 8th. Dear students, you know that I am going today to recite Mercy poem number 6, Mercy. I will recite the poem and will after it give explanation of the poem. Hope that you will calmly listen the video and watch the video. After all, I will give the meanings of difficult words and will explain it, translate it in the Kashmiri tongue. Acts of mercy are giving of alms, care for the sick, and refraining from harming or punishing enemies and people in one's power. The virtue has been laid down in all religions. Religious, the nature and importance of mercy are summed up in the following extract from the Merchant of Venus. The quality of mercy is not strand, it dropped as the gentle rain from the heaven upon the place beneath it twice blessed. It blessed him that gives him and that takes. Just mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. The thorned monarch better than his crown. His sceptre shows the force of temporal power, the attribute away and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. But mercy is above this separate tread saw. It is atthorned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself. An earthly power doth then show like gods when mercy seasons just. Written by Shakespeare. Shakespeare says the quality of mercy is not strand. Says that the mercy quality is not forced. We cannot change one's character. We cannot enforce the mercy into one's character. It is dropped. It dropped as the gentle rain from the heaven. It drops. It drops as the rain drops from the sky upon the place beneath it is twice blessed. And when rain drops, and it is best for the place where it drops, just like when mercy it drops like rain, and it is best on which it drops. It is blessed him that gives and him that takes. Mercy is better for those who gives mercy, who took pity on others, and it is better for those who take us, upon which mercy is giving. This mightiest is the mightiest it becomes. Mercy is mightiest than other powers. The thorned monarch better than his crown. It is better than the crown of a king or his adorned. His sceptre shows the force of temporal power. His authority, king's authority, is temporal. But mercy is not temporal. The attribute away and majesty. We shows king's authority shows his power, his order, his authority. But that is temporal. But mercy is not temporal. Wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. If any king has the more power, but he has fear that there is chance of enemy, he can ransack his estate or his wealth or his crown. But it is mercy. In mercy there is no fear. There is no any chance that it can be ransacked by any enemy. But mercy is above this separated saw. It is mercy that is more powerful. It is above any temporal power. It is atthorned in the heart of kings When mercy is attorney in the heart of kings, it is an attribute to God Himself. It shows a character of God. It shows features of God. And earthly power doth then show like God's. When it is attorneyed in the earthly human being, it lacks the characters, it lacks the similarities which will shows the God's character, God's similarities. When mercy is seen as justice, when it is honored, when it is enforced into the any body, into any earthly power. It is enough for today. I will continue it. I will do it as exercise tomorrow. Goodbye. May God bless you. Thank you.